Hello everyone, welcome to Sikkhon, and welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to create pro neomorphic motion graphics in After Effects. Let's get started. First of all, in a solid background, take a circle shape using Rectangle tool. Then, change the fill color of the circle. Then, go to Effects and Presets option, search Drop Shadows, and drag it to the shape layer. Now, from Effects section of the layer, change the opacity, distance, softness value as per your needs. Then, duplicate the Drop Shadows effect twice. Now, select the bottom Drop Shadows effect. Change the shadow color to white. Change the direction to 0, x minus 75 degrees, or as per your needs. And increase the opacity to 100%. Then again, duplicate the Drop Shadow layer. Now, from Effects and Presets, search and drag the Bevel Alpha effect to the shape layer. Change the light angle according to your needs. Then, duplicate the shape layer. Click the upper layer. Change the scale and the position. Keep it smaller than the bottom layer like this. Then, duplicate the upper layer again. Now, click on the middle layer. Now go to Content, then Ellipse, then Stroke 1. Then, change the stroke color as per your needs. Increase the stroke width to around 30 to 35. Now, from Add option, select Trim Paths. Go to Trim Paths 1. Set keyframes here as per your needs. Add starting point and end point, and animate smoothly using Easy Ease. Now take a text like 30% or 40%, as it is a percentage showing neomorphic motion design. And place the percentage text in the middle of the round shape. Now go to Effects and Presets option. Go to Animation Presets. Then go to Text. Then Number Counters. Then drag percentage counter monospaced into the text layer. Then go to Effects. Change the animate value at end keyframe to 30, as the percentage will be shown as 30%. Change the pad zeros value to 2. Then fix the position of the text again. Now, play and check the whole video to see if it worked or not. It worked perfectly. That's it. That's how you create pro neomorphic motion graphics in After Effects smoothly. For more tutorials, please like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let us know in the comments what kind of tutorials you'd like to see next. Visit Sikkhon.com for a wide range of free and premium courses. Thank you for watching.